Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys had a good weekend. But just letting you guys know, just a quick reminder, Hot Imports Night, April 28th. Both the two bills are going to be there. We're going to have shirts, decals, a lot of good stuff for you guys. So first time people that come up to me and name the YouTube channel know about it, I'm having a little surprise for you guys. So come out, show some love, let's have a great time. But for today, I just got to get the BMW prepped up. I have a huge surprise coming out for the BMW. Someone listened to the videos, but I'm gonna leave that for another day. But it's gonna be on for the show, so I'm so excited. I'm speechless. Like, I'm so happy. But for today, I'm gonna do an oil change, replace the power steering reservoir with the new hoses because there is a leak. So let's get started. I honestly cannot wait to show you this build and my Accord at Hot Imports Night. But again, I'm so excited to show you what surprise we have for this car. Again, that's gonna be for the next video, so stay tuned. Alright, so I have the oil draining at the moment. We're gonna be putting in the actual BMW oil. The reason why I had an oil leak is because I did not put back a crush washer. And I know I'm gonna get hosed for in the comments, but it had one, and this was one of my first BMWs, and I was like, I don't know how this works, but let's go ahead and do it. So we're fixing that our mistake, putting that pressure washer back on, replacing the filter, getting that squared away. One thing I do suggest is to get the oil and filter and the crush washer with the gasket for the oil filter at the BMW dealership. Reason why, this car takes 7 quarts. If you think about it, if you get 2 of the 5 quarts, that's $60 right there. Plus if you get the filter, that's another $15. Which comes with the gasket and filter. Or you can go to BMW, spend the same exact, maybe $3 more, and get all BMW genuine oil. So make sure it's fully synthetic though. This is the new BMW oil, the new oil that they carry, but they said that this is still gonna work for my build. Plus a new oil filter straight from Germany actually, which is really cool. So I got the 7 quarts right over here. Once it's done draining, we're gonna go ahead, fill it up back up. Woo! Alright everyone, so got everything done, got the new power steering reservoir, got the new hoses attached, put the power steering fluid in it, picked it up from AutoZone, refilled the oil. Sorry I didn't show you guys, I'm by myself and it's kind of hard to do everything while recording. I did all the oil changes, the oil change, the filter, the gasket, the washer, the power steering reservoir, the power steering hose. That's pretty straightforward. I have a video of it in my prior videos if you want to check out how to do that. But at the moment, the trunk is what I've been focusing because I have a special surprise coming from someone who heard the videos. So I had to get the trunk ready. Hint, hint. But if you guys remember when I first got the car, the trunk was a disaster. Like, there was no trunk interior, no trunk liner. There was dirt and grease everywhere. There was the wrong spare tire for the car. And then so now I've got new trunk liner, all the missing pieces that I needed for the car. The car's looking a lot better. Let me go show you. So this was the old trunk liner. It's dirt, it was crap, it was nasty. That was the old spare wheel. It didn't even match the 4 wheels I even had. So now I got the new trunk interior liner. Looks a lot better than before. I just need to wash that piece right there, and I need to wash this. Other than that, the car is basically ready. But yeah, wasn't too bad. It literally just pops out on both sides, and that's it. Pop in a new one. Another thing I got going on is to do the center console. So as you can see, there are some like scratches here and a little bit up at the top right over here where the ashtray, all that stuff is. So I'm thinking about gutting all of this, sand it down, repaint it, prime it. Oh, as you can see, the new carbon fiber cup holder and carbon fiber cover thing for the armrest thingamabob. But yeah, so let me know if I should go ahead and do that before the show. I'm thinking I should, to make it a lot better. If you guys want my original BMW steering wheel with the BMW airbag or vice versa, either one, message me on Instagram. It's right over here, 96_Arana. Message me on Instagram saying you want it. I'll ship it to you guys, whatever. Make me an offer for it. if you feel like I should do another thing before the show, people have been telling me to do a wing for the car. I want to do a wing, but they're just hella expensive. So if anyone has a wing or no place where I can get a wing for this car, really nice. I want a chassis mount wing, so something like that. So I'm gonna give it a nice aggressive look to the car, because how aggressive it looks. Guys, Hot Imports Night is right around the corner, so use my promo code ROYALE, ROYALE, to get $5 off the entry. We're gonna have a lot of good stuff. We're gonna have a lot of surprises for you guys, especially for the first time people that come up and mention my YouTube channel. I got some surprises out for you guys. So that's basically it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. There's a couple more things. I have a surprise coming out for the BMW, so stay tuned. Please share, subscribe, and like. We'll catch you guys next video. And remember, guys, live your dreams to its full potential. See you guys.